Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing how to expand the storage on your Xbox Series X and Series S. So I'm going to try using this particular drive. This is WD Black P10. It's a 5TB drive and I managed to pick it up over Black Friday for £88 on Amazon. Details are in the description below, including purchasing links if you're looking for the same drive. So in terms of options for upgrading, you can buy an SSD drive or the actual integrated one. And in terms of price, it will be pretty high. Now, this is probably a cheaper option to go with. And in terms of connectivity, it's a USB 3 connection on here. So it's probably worth going for an external drive with a USB 3 on there, just for performance reasons. Let's get the hard disk connected up. So the cable it comes with is this one, and we just plug that into the back. And the other end is a USB 3 connection on there. So that plugs straight into the Xbox. The drive's connected, and this is what you're presented with on the Xbox. So it says use for media or for games and apps. Now this is where you can choose how you're going to use this hard disk. If you just wanted to use it to view videos off, play music, or even view pictures, you'd select use for media. So it's the option over here. Now, if you wanted it for games and apps, you're going to have to format the device. Now for this, obviously whatever's on there will be lost, and you can't really use it after that for your PC. So it will be dedicated really for your Xbox then. Now, if you did want to reuse the drive on a PC, you'd have to disconnect it from your Xbox, plug it into a PC and reformat it. That's the key thing here. So you can't use it between the two devices. It's either or. So either Xbox or a PC. But it is possible to reuse it on a PC if you didn't want to keep using it on a Xbox. So what we'll do, we'll select Format Storage Device. Give your device a name. So we'll just go with whatever default name is. Now it's saying install things on the WD Game Drive USB device by default. And what that will mean, obviously anything new that you install will be installed on that drive. So what we'll do, we'll install all new things onto the new external drive. Format WD Game Drive USB device. So what this is saying now, you've got to format the device and it will only be usable on the Xbox consoles. Now keep in mind, obviously, if you want to reuse it and plug it into your PC, you're not going to be able to do that after this. So let's format the device. Okay, we've just got a message at the bottom, external storage ready. Now coming into settings, going to system, storage. This is what we're presented with. So the internal storage on here is using 802 gig, and you can see the external drive here has 4.5 terabytes free on there. So now if we go to the internal drive, select it, view content, we can see the games we've got on there. And if I come across, pick a game, so for instance Fortnite, we do a manage on that. And what we can do now, we can move it over to the external drive. So if I now select it, move or copy, select that. Now what we have to do is select the game. So if I select that, looking at the top, it says transfer from internal, transfer to, and that's my external drive. And then coming down, I can just click move selected. And there you go, it's moving it off. So let's just give it some time to move it off now. There you go, the game's now moved off. If I come back, look at storage now, you can see we've got more space available on the internal storage, and you can see here 0.5% is filled up on the external drive. Now coming on there, view content, there you go, you can see the games that are on there. So you can move off as much as you want, and it's as simple as that really. Next, if I unplug the drive just to show what happens, there you go, drive disappears. Now if I come back again, if I click Fortnite now, if you have the storage device or disk, use that. Otherwise, install Fortnite from the Microsoft Store. So I've not lost any gameplay, just the fact the game isn't on the device. Now, if I plug the drive back in again, there you go, external storage ready. And now if I select Fortnite, and it's saying, sorry, this game cannot be played from external storage. To play Fortnite, you need to transfer it to a storage expansion card or console's internal storage. If you did want to transfer the game back again, very easy. You can just hit the transfer game button. Game's over here, just select it and then just go for move selected. And what that does, that just moves it back to the Xbox. There you go, game's transferred back again, and if I now select it, starts up. So it's not too bad, took about 4 minutes to transfer, And if you think of it, it is quicker than downloading it. You're going to have to wait longer than 4 minutes to download 23 gig. Now keep in mind, obviously, you're only going to be able to play games on the local storage. So if you do this method, you can just move the games you don't play frequently off and move back the ones that you are playing with. Now, interesting to show this because what it proves is the fact that the drive is just used for storage purposes only. You can't play games directly off the drive, which is a bit of a disappointment. I don't see what the big deal is. Maybe it'll be a little bit slower because it's loading things, but not the end of the world. But obviously they've put that in to ensure people get a good experience when they're gaming. Now, the advantage of this is obviously if you've got a lot of games, just move off the ones that you don't use frequently onto the drive. And when you're playing them again, just move them back again. You're probably thinking this is just a waste of time. But it isn't really, because if you're going to be downloading them, that's going to be taking even longer. So it just gives you a quick method to have all your games at hand and just transfer them back onto the device. So there you go. I hope it's helped anyone looking to expand the storage on their Xbox Series X or Series S. Details for this particular drive I've used are in the description below. Hang around for the end cards. I'll have a playlist for more gaming videos. Drop me a like if you've liked this video and let me know what you thought. Are you looking to expand the storage on your Xbox? Thanks for viewing and see you in the next one.